Namaste und hallo, welcome back to our channel. So as you can see on the screen, it's Lektion23, so lesson number 23, sich und andere vorstellen, right? So you have to introduce yourself and someone else. So how will you do it? So that's the task for today. So let's begin. Sich vorstellen. So I will introduce myself, assume this person is me, and my name is Fabio. So hallo, ich heiße Fabio. You can say hallo, mein Name ist Fabio. Hallo, ich bin Fabio. So you have many options. Ich bin 41 Jahre alt. I am 41 years old. Okay. Ich bin in Rom geboren und aufgewachsen. That means born and brought up in Rome. Das ist die Hauptstadt von Italien. Right? So that's the capital of Italy. What? Rome. Okay. Meine Muttersprache ist Italienisch, aber ich spreche auch Englisch und Deutsch. So that means my mother tongue is Italian, right? Because I belong to Italy. But I also speak English and German, right? So you can use such sentences when you introduce yourself. 2002 habe ich mein Ingenieurstudium an der Universität XYZ abgeschlossen. That means in 2002, I did my engineering and at this university. So XYZ, XYZ, that means you can put any name, abgeschlossen. More information about me, Fabio. Seit 2008 arbeite ich bei Siemens als Programmierer. Right? So since 2008, I'm working with Siemens as computer programmer. So whatever your profession is, you can put here. Ich arbeite bei and then the company name. Okay? Let's see more about me. 2012 habe ich geheiratet. 2012 I got married. Meine Frau heißt Cassandra und sie kommt aus Australien. So my wife's name is Cassandra and she is from Australia. This is what I want to say here. Wir haben uns bei der Arbeit kennengelernt. So we got to know each other. Me and my wife got to know each other at work. Zu Hause haben wir 2 Kinder und eine Katze. So at home we have 2 kids and a cat. Ich reise gern und verbringe Zeit mit meiner Familie. So I love to travel and love to spend time with my family. That's what I mean with this sentence. Was noch? What else, right? So that's this. With this we are done. That okay, how you can introduce yourself. Now we'll focus on the next part where you have to introduce someone else. Suppose your father or your student or your relative, right? So how to talk about someone else. So let's see this example. And let's start and assume that that's my student, okay? So das ist meine Studentin, okay? That is my student. And now I will tell her name. So there are many ways. Either you can say ihr Vorname ist Ananya und ihr Nachname ist Kapoor, right? So Vorname, that's first name, Nachname, last name. You can also say Familienname for last name. Or simply you can say sie heißt Ananya Kapoor. Fertig, einfach. And one more other option is you can say ihr Name ist Ananya Kapoor. Or sie ist Ananya Kapoor. Okay? Sie kommt aus Indien. So she comes from India. Sie ist 19 Jahre alt. She is 19 years old. Okay? Now let's see what is she working or not. So yes, im Moment arbeitet sie nicht und wohnt bei ihren Eltern in Mumbai. So currently she is not working. She is not working and she is living with her parents in Mumbai. Sie studiert Jura an der ABC Universität. So she is studying law. At which university? ABC. So you can put the real name. This is just an example. Sie kann Hindi, English und ein bisschen Deutsch. Here you can use können verb and with können you can also write sprechen at the end. Sie kann Hindi, English und ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen. Or simply if you want to say, you can say with sprechen, sie spricht Hindi, English und ein bisschen Deutsch. So with languages, you can just use modal verb können also. That means she can do all these languages, she can speak, write and everything. So seit 2 Monaten lernt sie Deutsch. So since 2 months she is learning German. Sie ist ein Einzelkind, she is a single child, that means she has no siblings. So sie hat keine Geschwister. No siblings, she is the alone one. Ihre Familie besteht aus ihren Eltern, Großeltern und ihr. So bestehen aus, that becomes dative and that means it comprises of. So her family comprises of what? her parents, her grandparents, and her, of course. Okay. And last information about her is Hobbys. Ihre Hobbys sind Bücher lesen, schwimmen und Gitarre spielen. Right? So 3 hobbies have been mentioned here: to read the books, to do swimming, and to play guitar. Right? So that's it for today. And this is your thing, Ihre Vorstellung. So you need to introduce yourself. Stellen Sie sich vor. Introduce yourself. Schreiben Sie 5 bis 10 Sätze. So write 5 to 10 sentences in the comment section. So that is your homework for today. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like it, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. We'll see you in the next video. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Namaste und tschüss.